Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Mercedes-Me charge status for EV charging sessions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Mercedes-Me app on your smartphone. Log in to your Mercedes-Me account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. Look for the Charging tab, usually located on the bottom menu. Tap on the Charging tab to access your charging options. You will see a list of your charging sessions. Locate the specific session you'd like to verify. Select the session to view more details. The app will display the status of the charging session. Check for indicators such as charging, complete, or error. You can also view the duration of the charging session. If you need more information, tap on the Details button. Here, you can find additional data like energy consumed and charging speed. If you encounter any errors, the app will provide troubleshooting tips. For further assistance, consult the FAQ section in the app. You can also refer to the Mercedes-Me website for more in-depth guidance. Once you have verified the status, exit the detailed view. Return to the home screen to continue managing your vehicle. You have now successfully verified your Mercedes-Me charge status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.